Please like and subscribe. And feel free to visit my website for all other information about me. I have a storefront of everything that I have with me with my travels. Link is in the description. I'm Malaceo, a slow traveler who travels from country to country, and this is a day in my life in Ho Chi Minh City, aka Saigon. So if you want to be bougie and spend $25 on coffee, you need to come here. And not to be callous or anything like that, but this place has the best coffee I have ever had in my life. And it's not just drinking coffee, it's the tasting of the coffee, it's the full experience of coffee, and you learn so much about the process from beginning to end. So they have the barista here, and he was very diligent in explaining everything to me, letting me know like everything from like how they farmed to acidity to different levels to getting it transported there. Girl, I was there talking for a while. So yeah, this is a really nice experience to do if you really are a coffee connoisseur, and I don't see why not. I mean, you only live once, right? Now try to say that name 3 times fast. Not me, but this place, I went here a few times, and I feel like people know of it, and you do get, a good amount of people here, but that's mostly on the weekends. I'll be completely honest. I've been here a couple of times, and throughout the weekdays, you don't really get people here until maybe, I'll say around like dinner time. 5:30, 6:30, in that area where you start to see a rush of people coming in. But for the most part, a lot of times I got most of a whole section all by myself. As you can see, it's pretty empty and stuff like that, and you get to watch the waterfall, the koi fish, you got the spray, the mist. It feels so colorful, and you feel like you're outside but you're inside, and you cannot hear any of the noise. Like, you're literally coming right off of the highway. You don't hear anything when you're in here. So this is literally a nice place to go to get away from it all, and one of my top places to go, honestly. And this is the seafood fried rice. So they fried the seafood into the egg, and you have the fried rice on the bottom of this. And after a little bit of something to eat, I headed over to the traditional Vietnamese Medicine Museum. You guys have to come here. You're going to be here for a while, for the most part. just to be able to read everything and sort of soak everything in. They do have people that are available for a higher price. I just wanted to go around and, read and see things myself, because the video that they show you when you first come into the museum, it helps a lot with getting your mind ready to soak up the information. So I think it's fine just for you to come in and spend the regular admissions fee to enter into the museum. As you can see, how traditional drawings and stuff of plants and herbs. But in my personal opinion, it was very well thought out, because they do show the overall process, even how they marked everything, how important certain herbs, mushrooms, fungus, things of that nature, how important it was, how pivotal it was, even how Vietnamese medicine also influenced Chinese medicine in certain ways, shapes, and forms. So there's a lot of different things that you can see and then also understand from a more historical point of how medicine was created and also how it was administered. Everything in those jars and all the wines and liquors that they had at the medical store, it actually inspired me to go to a bar myself, and get some of that medical treatment. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here I am. And this is like a nice little rooftop bar off in the cut a little bit, in my personal opinion. Like, it's physically in the middle of everything, but you gotta go around some things to actually get to here. But yeah, I was here by myself too, so no cap, I like that. I felt like I owned the place. But I will see y'all next week. Bye.